Hello friends, now in this video I will teach you that how you can apply subscript and superscript in Microsoft Word. So for instance, we write first of all H2O, that is actually the water formula. So we can select this and first of all we will change the size. I am changing just to teach you. So now the main thing, like how we can change, how we can apply the subscript. So we will have to select the text first on which we want to apply. So select that text, and then in the font tab you can see here like this one, subscript. So you can click on this and subscript will apply. See, and same thing if I type like A to B2. So now if we want to apply superscript, so we can apply from here superscript, or you can press Ctrl Shift plus on your keyboard. That is the keyboard shortcut key to apply superscript, and Ctrl plus is equal to you can apply for the subscript, like C2. I will select this, and Ctrl plus is equal to for the subscript. So like this easily we can apply superscript and subscript in Microsoft Word. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn the things and they can increase their skills. Thank you very much once again.